Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to download and install iOS 16.5. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Open the Safari app on your iPhone. On the Safari page, search your beta.apple.com. Scroll down, tap sign up. Tap continue with passcode. Enter your passcode. Then wait for few seconds. Scroll down. Select enroll your iOS device. Click on download profile. Tap allow. Tap close. Then go back home page. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap profile downloaded. Tap install. Enter your phone passcode. Again install. Tap not now and tap done. Then go back journal page. Click on software update. Check for software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS device. Thanks for watching this video.